Day 2. Today we are going to talk about blenders. I have to talk about the small blender first. So the small blender is usually used for the eyes or for the small areas for your eyes, your nose. It blends very easily. If you can see that pointy stuff here, it easily goes inside your eyes and it just blends. Now let's come to the big blender. Okay, so this can be used as multi-purpose. If you have one, no need to worry. You can always use this, just one blender. So how you use it? This is the tip of the blender. You use it for the corner of your eyes or your nose. The body is for the face, the bigger portion of your face. The bottom part is used for the cream blush. Just apply it here and just dab. So it gives a very seamless effect. The flawless finish like airbrush. And one more thing, whenever you are using a blender, whether it is a big blender or the smaller one, always use a damp blender. It should be a little wet. If you are using a dry blender, most of the foundation the blender will absorb. It should not be dripping wet, but yes, it should be wet and it should not be dry. Always use a blender that is damp. Don't forget to save, share and like the video. Follow for more such tips. See ya.